see, I don't think it should be that difficult considering this one won't take place in the basement of a Pizza Hut. I'm Ross. I'm too good for the hut. I'm too good for the hut. But I gotta go pick up Ben. Everything so far sounds great, Joey. Just remember, keep it on the
Good, thanks,
down
man.
side, okay? Just a couple guys hanging out playing poker. No strippers or anything, okay? Yeah. Okay. Good. Yeah.
Bakın size sen. Mamam. Nii tubli tüdruk oled. Jaa, tubli tüdruk oled. Ciao.